Reverse bridal braid. It's a little awkward, but you gotta flip your client forward and braid all the way up to the top, leaving out the sides and leaving out the front. Now gather the top into a ponytail, still leaving out the sides. And if you want fullness, you can tease the crown. Feel free to loosen up this whole style. Curl the ends of the ponytails as well as the sides with a curling iron. Loop the braid and pin it, kind of making a bun. Here I left out some long pieces. You can do anything you want. This is your creativity. She's got tendrils out the front and beautiful gold and pearl pins. Just a lovely look. Thanks for watching.